Well, Jim, it's been a busy afternoon, but we've been very fortunate in the sense we haven't had to deal with tornadoes. Now, the tornado watch, which is in effect until 6 o'clock, continues to get trimmed back. Let's go to the map. You'll see the counties highlighted in yellow. That is where we have the watch remaining. Jefferson County just dropped out of that watch, but it still continues for Etowah, Calhoun, St. Clair, Sumter, and Greene counties. Now, the counties you see highlighted in purple, that is where we have a severe thunderstorm watch. And that is for our southern counties. And the orange areas, these are severe thunderstorm warnings. They continue across not only Chilton, but also Coosa and Calhoun counties. These storms have tracked towards the east. They've been right on time, right on schedule with our forecast. And there have been storms that have produced hail as well as gusty winds. But some of the hail has been large, and we're certainly seeing a number of reports across central Alabama because of that. And speaking of hail, somebody who got to go through it in our CBS 42 Weather Alert Unit is meteorologist Nate Harrington. And Nate, it's been a pretty crazy day out there.
It sure has been, Mark. Crazy indeed. We saw a large cluster of thunderstorms move through Walker and Fayette County just around 2:30, 3 o'clock to 3:30. And at that time, we encountered some very, very large hail. And we've got a lot of bells and whistles on the Weather Alert Unit. Lots of cameras. We've got one weather station up on top of the roof with a camera in a dome. That actually got knocked out by some of the hail that we saw falling, anywhere from probably quarter size to large marble size hail just coming down for about 20 to 30 seconds, and that somehow knocked off one of our cameras. So we took a little bit of a beating, but we're still ongoing. Right now, we're just now starting to move back in to Birmingham. Had to make a quick pit stop, gas back up, but we're going to travel south and try to intercept some of the storms that are heading down the southern tier of our counties. We're going to take 280 and see if we can't intercept some of these storms and see what kind of punch they're packing. But overall today, it's been a crazy day, but thankfully haven't had a whole bunch of reports of damage, trees down, things like that. So live from the Weather Alert Unit, I'm Nate Harrington, CBS 42 News. Weather coverage you can count on. Let's send it back to Sherry.